Hi guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's lesson we're going to look at volcanic activity in Ireland. And if you'd like some more videos, remember to check out our website examvision.ie. So, volcanic activity in Ireland. Well, at the moment Ireland lies in the middle of a plate boundary, and we're not located anywhere really close to plate boundaries. So therefore that means there's no evidence of active volcanic activity. But there are lots of evidence of volcanic activity that would have happened in the past, and we're going to look at these now. Okay, so the first one that we're going to look at is that shows evidence of volcanic activity in the past in Ireland is the Antrim Plateau. It's the Antrim Plateau. And the Antrim Plateau was a basalt plateau that resulted from volcanic activity, and it would have been when the North American plate was pulling away from the Eurasian plate. So Ireland sits on the Eurasian plate, and about 65 million years ago the North American plate started to break away from the Eurasian plate. It lasted for about 15 million years, and at that stage, then the Atlantic Ocean was created, and it still is. It still is like pulling away from each other, and we know that Iceland has formed, and they've got the Mid Atlantic Ridge that has formed since then. So the basalt plateau clearly shows that there was volcanic activity there at some point, and we know that the Giant's Causeway is evidence of previous volcanic activity. The second evidence of volcanic activity in Ireland would be because of the Flemish Mountain. So I'll put in here the Flemish Mountain. Well, I'll put Flemish volcano. And what we can find is, if you go up to the Flemish Mountain, what you can find is that you can actually see that the remains of the volcano, the volcanic cone, is actually still can be seen. Now a lot of it has been removed. A large part of the cone has been removed because of the weathering and erosion. But the remains of the volcano can still be seen in the Flemish Mountain. Okay, so if you go up to it, you can actually still see it. So this obviously indicates that at some point there was volcanic activity in Ireland. The third piece of evidence that indicates that there was volcanic activity in Ireland is the Leinster Batholith. So the Leinster Batholith. Okay, so we know that a batholith is linked with volcanic activity. It's an intrusive feature, and Dublin and the Wicklow Mountains are dominated by these intrusive batholiths. And there's 5 large granite domes in the landscape, and these domes were only exposed by the overlying rock when because of weathering and erosion. And we can actually see that the batholith exists in Dublin and Wicklow, and we call this the Leinster Batholith. And again, this is further indication that at some point there was obviously volcanic activity in Ireland for this to be created. So that's it for today's tutorial. It was a really quick one on volcanic activity in Ireland and evidence of volcanic activity in Ireland. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you did, can you please leave me some feedback to let me know if it helped you. I really do appreciate when I get lots of feedback on the videos. Thanks guys.